Now I'm done with my yogurt. This is it. It's time to let it ferment. So I put it here. This is my nylon. I'm going to put it in my nylon. Hey, thank you. After covering it up like this, I'll put it in an enclosed place. You can put it in your oven. Now, if you are keeping this in your oven, make sure you don't on your oven. You don't use your oven. You don't put it on. Make sure the oven is not, or maybe you just finished using it before you put it in. Please. Now, put it in your oven. Put it in your cupboard, in any enclosed place, and make sure you don't open the oven or the cupboard or wherever you are putting it. You don't open that area until after 9 hours. You can let this ferment for 9 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours above, 6 hours. Some people leave theirs for 20 hours, but me, I usually make my own yogurt at night, so I just keep it overnight. You get the next morning, once I'm done baking and doing everything, pastures and all, I'll bring it out and then whisk it again, put it in the freezer. The fridge will help you thicken the yogurt. The fridge will help you thicken the yogurt. Put it in the freezer. So I will come back in the next 9 hours to see the result, and we're both going to see it together. Thank you.